Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been away on holiday with my girlfriend for a little bit. I've also been ill on my holiday, which sucks. So I've been ill and on holiday, taking a bit of a break and recovering from my illness. So, guys, I'm back. Not 100%, so you can hear my voice is a bit dull. But, guys, I'm back. Let's get on the grind. So today we've got a CNFT project to you guys called Pastelbudz. They are actually sponsoring this video. They wanted me, guys, to reach out to you, to my audience. I have got some feedback to give to the team as well throughout this video, so guys, do bear with that. So yeah, guys, this project, Pastelbudz, what is it? It's a CNFT, it's a Cardano NFT. They have their public sale on the 11th. They're going to cost you 45 ADA, and there's a supply of 6,868. From the get-go, the website looks amazing. It really, really does. The colours with the art style is amazing. It looks cute, it looks nice, it's simple. And we haven't really had too much art styles like this, like doodle art, on the CNFT space yet. We had a project called Bright Pals, which I guess they are the OG doodles on CNFT space. However, their project has been going declining, in my opinion. They've not really been doing too much with their project. The community isn't too impressed with how things are going. Just what I'm gathering. Plus, I actually was a community manager over at Bright Pals for some time. If you guys saw my Twitter, I did leave the team after 2 weeks because things weren't going the way I wanted, and it wasn't a great experience in my opinion. We won't go in detail about that. Just I wasn't a fan of things, so I left the project and all that type of stuff. But yeah, Pastelbudz, they've reached out. They wanted me to talk about their project, give you guys some info. It comes out in the next couple of days. I thought I'll give you guys the details. Yeah, let's go through the website from the get-go. Like I said, it looks amazing. So here they are. They have 6,868, as I said. They are stored on the Cardano blockchain. A bit of rainbow, a bit of clouds, and you got the Pastelbudz. That's really nice. I really like that. And if we go through the art here, there's not too much art, but it's not it's not bad. It looks really nice. Just from this, it looks like there is quite a few traits here. You've got like different armor bits. You've got goggles. You've got masks. You've got hats. Hairstyles or no hair here if you're this guy. He's got a spacesuit on, it looks like. Or this guy here, you've got like an explosion, it's on his face, even his glasses are broken, so nice detail. Obviously, they might be just showing us here the really nice ones, so you've got to take that into account as well, but it does look like there's a decent amount of traits here. And in their Discord, they've done a bunch of sneak peeks as well with different of Pastelbudz. So there's plenty of variety from what I've gathered from the Discord and the website here. If we go down to the roadmap here, I will say that the roadmap isn't too big, but it's not an awful roadmap, so let's just get into it. So Q2, which is now, they're going to be releasing their Pastelbudz collection, which is in the next couple of days. They're going to be development of their own collect to earn game. Who knows what this collect to earn game will be? It could be, I don't know, you collect hearts and you get crypto. They are releasing their own utility token as well, which they say here they're going to be developing a marketplace that uses the utility token in the exchange for Pastelbudz collectibles and merchandise. So you play the game, you put your tokens in the marketplace, and you might be able to buy yourself maybe a Pastelbudz NFT, maybe some merchandise, maybe a figurine. Who knows? Because you do mention down here they're going to be airdropping 3D Pastelbudz, so it is possible you might be able to buy yourself your own little 3D model, which you get delivered to your house, which would be cool. They're going to be donating to charities, which is nice to see. They're going to be doing weekly prize tournaments, exclusive for holders, which I like to see. Some weekly engagement with those who have bought into your projects. Nice. They should always do that for every project, regardless if you're a holder or not. But it is still nice. You'll be able to get rewarded here by playing, getting involved with the community, which is nice. For Q3 of 2022, there's going to be an airdrop of the 3D Pastelbudz. So it's an incentive to hold on to your Pastelbudz once you purchased it. And you might maybe get whitelist for the P2. You might get airdropped a 3D model. Who knows? No one knows just yet, unless it's in the Discord. I haven't really done too much research in the Discord for that. But I believe it's not been announced just yet. But it's always nice to see about a 3D version. 3D is a big thing in NFT space right now. I feel like that's the trend. That's where things are going. People are really liking 3D art. So yeah. And then development of a Pastelverse. As much as I like the idea of that, there's not really like a doodle art metaverse just yet, in my opinion, from what I've seen. However, it takes a lot of resources, a lot of money, a lot of people to develop a metaverse. And a project that, you need a lot of capital. It needs to be around for months, great marketing, consistent, marketing, consistent growth, constant funds. And this team could do it? Possibly, definitely, it is possible. But what I like to see now in projects is rather than say we're going to make our own metaverse, they're going to maybe invest into another metaverse. For example, maybe Boss Planet, which is Boss Cat Rocket Club's metaverse. Like these guys could easily contact them and maybe get some collab going. These could work on their project, that type of thing, because they definitely do have the funds for their own metaverse. Type of things like that. So projects that promise their own metaverse now kind of put me off a little bit, but it's still not a thing to be like, oh, these guys are definitely not going to be doing that, because they very well could. They just need to pull it off and do well on it. They possibly can do. So here are the team. What I do like is they do have their LinkedIn's linked. However, obviously that still can be a false flag, because you never know if the pictures on the LinkedIn or the previous work is real or not, or if it's someone completely different. You just don't know. It's getting more frequent where scams just whack in someone random's LinkedIn. Like here, the founder hasn't got any LinkedIn, which is odd to me. It doesn't mean the project's a scam or not. No one knows, but it is a bit odd that the founder hasn't got their LinkedIn. He probably might comment down below or put in Discord why that's a thing. Maybe he just doesn't want to dox himself. Maybe, who knows? It's always nice to have a team that dox themselves, in my opinion. But yeah, the rest of the team do, which is nice to see. Again, could not be their LinkedIn, so you just got to be careful of that. So maybe like Twitter accounts, maybe YouTube accounts, whatever you can give us, that'd be fantastic. So yeah, hey guys, I was literally just editing the video and this came out. The team is doxed, it looks like. Well, one of the co-founders is anyway. You can see here in this little video here. So yeah, just wanted to bring that up to you guys. Have a good day. That's the website. I'm going to leave all links down below and you can check out yourself. So if we go over to Twitter, I will say I do like the engagement they're getting. For example, this one here, obviously it's a giveaway, so it's going to get more attention anyway, especially when it's Ape Society. I think their floor is like 1,000 adder plus, if not like way more. I've not been keeping up to date recently, but 1,000 likes, 1,000 retweets, it is good engagement. I like to see that. And if we go down to maybe one of their own tweets, for example here, they've also reached out to NFT Justin, who is a part of NFT Alpha, if you guys know. Amazing channel. You get all the updates about CNFTs, ETH NFTs, Solana, XRP, all NFTs, right? And they give you tips and tricks. Go check Justin out. Big shout out to him. I also work on NFT Alpha as well, guys, if you didn't know. So yeah, there's a bit of inside info there. Yeah, 109 likes and 39 retweets. Not too bad considering the size of this account. Keep going down here. That's a retweet. Keep going down. They also did this. They actually entered the NFT ABC, which is made by Justin as well, which is, I believe, a massive marketing opportunity for any project to go on here. You've got big names such as the Ape Society, who won A. You've got Basket Rocket Club, who won B. Cardano Croc Club, who won C, and so on, so on. And obviously they got to P, and Pastelbudz won. Great marketing. It's a great thing. It means the community engaged a lot into this tweet. They pushed it really hard, so it's very, very good that they've done that. Again, here you got to see this one, 408 likes, 570 retweets, a ton of engagement there. Same again, 147, 127 there. So not too bad, about medium in my opinion for the size of this Twitter page. So not too bad. And the Discord as well looks great in terms of activity-wise. There's people always chatting, asking questions, all that type of stuff. So it's not too bad. And like I said about the traits thing, they post a lot of sneak peeks in there. So if we just go over there now. See here, they've got a bunch of sneak peeks, a few customized ones here for maybe like DZ, which actually reached out. Like DZ actually commented on this tweet, which is great marketing, free publicity. Free retweet, it's a free retweet, right? Good marketing. So there you are. DZ reached, saw this and he was like, oh, okay, cool. DZ might mint on this. I'm not sure. I do not know. The fact that this has happened, I know he's talked about it. He has seen about it, possibly a video on it. Knows. And the same again with Justin here, and they both look really good. So good job to the team there. Great idea. Showing off one-to-ones, different traits here. If we keep going up, there's tons and tons and tons. And we've also got a little 3D one here, which, guys, the fact that they're showing off the 3D art this early when it's not even like announced and all that type of stuff, very good, in my opinion, for long term. It means they are working on it, which is nice to see. But I believe they haven't showed any more off. Oh, they have shown a few more, looks like. Looks 3D to me. Yeah, the fact that they are showing off previews of the 3D is promising. It means they are here for the long term, for my opinion. So yeah, tons of traits. You've got skeleton heads, spiky heads. They've got quite a few here. You can just scroll through here, guys, yourself if you want to join the Discord. But yeah, good job, team, I think, in my opinion. You've got a decent amount here. They're showing off some of the 3D stuff for the future. I really like that. The website looks good. Twitter looks pretty good in terms of engagement. So yeah, decent project. Very lovely art, in my opinion. Very simple, very nice, very cute. So, could be the next Doodles on CNFT. That could do big things, right? So yeah, website looks good. The only thing is the team, I would say. There's not enough information about the team. You're not sure. Other than that, everything looks not too bad. So yeah, guys, that's the video. Sorry if it's a bit slow, a bit different. My voice is a bit sore. Like I said, I'm a bit ill still and whatnot, and I've just come back from a holiday, so we're getting back into things. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far to the video, join the NFT Alpha Discord, link down below. You guys can see me there, talk to me there, answer me questions, all that type of stuff. We do giveaways. Yeah, guys, thank you very much. All links down below for Pastelbudz if you're interested to do your research and whatnot. Check out the Discord, find out the mint day, all that type of stuff I said at the start of the video. So you guys, I'm going to stop rambling on here now. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.